All right, YouTube, Murtacus back here doing a tire change / repair on this SRT. It's missing a lug nut. Ours was locked. Yeah, it is. Stuck on there. Always something. Got a stuck lug nut. Let me show you how I get these out. There we go. So yeah, that's how I get these out. Better to put it on a jack stand, ideally, but we're only going to be gone for less than an hour, so. Okay. Let's take a look at this tire. Maybe it's savable. I'm going to take it to the shop. They're better at diagnosing tires. But if not, it's gonna need a new one. It's got some tread on it. It's a big wheel. Okay, so yep. That is that. I'm gonna go to this shop, see if they can repair it, and then we're gonna come back. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, we're back. Got the tire, and I got her a lug nut. Nice little neighborhood. What a nice car. I also got her a lug nut. She was missing one. Put this back together. But yeah, if you're doing roadside, make sure you find a good tire shop. Luckily, I got a good one. kind of just middleman everything. This is where the other lug nuts are. Yeah, she was missing one. Which is weird. There we go. Screw these in. We're good to go. My door closed. But yeah, this is pretty simple. You can make good money off doing this. Highly recommend it. I've been doing this for like 1 year full time, and it beats working any job. I mean, working for yourself is just the best, especially once you get everything dialed in and you figure out the system, how to make everything run smooth and operate. I mean, the opportunity is honestly endless. I have people call me like all the time, whether it's jump start, tire repair, and it's honestly not rocket science, thankfully. Let me get my drill. That one is, something's weird with it. Let me just do an inspection. She's missing one lug nut there, which is weird. She got them there. She got, yeah, I don't know why she was missing one. But it's a nice car. It's got the V8. I think it's Scat Pack. It's loud when she turns it on. Let me send the customer a picture. Let me do one last tighten the wheel, and then we're gonna get out of here. She said she's gonna Zell me the power of electronic transfer. Great stuff. But yeah, I need to get one of these. These are sweet. They're loud. But yeah, her lug nuts are weird. But yeah, that is that. We got it done. We just got to collect payment from her. Pretty easy stuff. She wasn't even here the whole time. But yeah, now the tire's not flat and she's good to drive. So thank you guys for watching. If this isn't the last clip, I might add another one, but if not, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace. All right, guys, doing a tire repair on this car. Took a look. Hybrid. Said he's got a nail. See it right there. All right, I already see the
awesome.
the nail. Yeah, I'll just I can just text you when it's done.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have a spare, I'm pretty sure, right?
No.
Yeah, no spare on this one.
Alright, so what do you think needs to be done here?
I'm just gonna remove it and then air it up, plug it, and then you'll be good to go.
Just the plug?
Yeah, just the plug. And it will last the life of the tire.
Alright.
Yeah. All right, and then all I gotta do, put the plug in, take the nail out, and then it's good to go. But yeah, I've been super busy. Grateful for that. Been making some good money doing this roadside stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to put this plug in with these gloves because it like sticks. Oh my gosh, come on. Can you do it? There you go. Add the sauce, rubber cement. The stuff does wonders. Awesome. Super easy. That's all it is. Air it up, charge the customer. But yeah, let's get it.